My creative friend, in a small village where the air smells of soil and rain, where morning began with the bird song and evening end with lantern light. There lived a simple tradition, a tradition made not of gold or silver but of jute. Jute, a humble fiber grown from the earth, soft yet strong, simple yet powerful. For generations, this golden thread was part of everyday life. Simple people call it art back then. They called it living. Every year, when the monsoon clouds arrived, farmers planted jute seeds with hope in their hearts. They knew that these plants would grow tall, strong, and useful. After months of care, the plants were harvested, washed in river water, and dried under the warm sun. From nature came a fiber that carried a story within it. In one such village lived a woman named Amina. Amina had learned jute crafting from her grandmother. Her grandmother used to say, "Beta, jute is not just a rope, it is a passion toiled into beauty." Amina would sit near the window every afternoon. Sunlight falling on her hands as she twisted knot and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. So Amna would sit near the window every afternoon, sunlight falling on her hands. As she twisted, knotted, and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. A basket, wall hanging, a lampshade. Each piece was simple, but every knot carried love. Was made Amna's craft special. Was not expensive tools but creativity. Old bottles became vases, broken pots became planters, unused fabric became decoration, wrapped in jute. Everything looked warm, earthy, and alive. She believed that nothing is useless. It only needs a new idea. Jute is kind to the earth. It is biodegradable. It returns to soil without harm. It does not poison water or air. While the world struggles with plastic waste, jute quietly offers a solution. Through jute craft, people learn to decorate their homes without hurting nature. Slowly, Amna's craft reached nearby towns. People loved the natural textures, the rustic look, the handmade touch. They say they did not feel like factory workshop. They feel like home. Jute wall hanging started appearing in living rooms. Jute basket replaced plastic boxes. Jute decor becomes a symbol of simplicity and sustainability. During festival, jute transforms into magic. Xmas ornaments made of jute, New Year decor wrapped